Hello, Midofapa. Today I'm going to show you how I made some authentic Ghanaian street style kelewele using gadgets in my modern kitchen. So, yeah, it's so easy. It is healthy. Trust me, it is not soaked in oil at all. Very, very minimal oil, and you get the same effect. And let me warn you, this recipe is super hot, spicy hot, just like you get on the streets of Accra. Let's go through the ingredients I used. So I've got some plantain, well ripened plantains, some pepper, scotch bonnet pepper, ginger, white onions, Aftrad Village Kitchen's 7 spice blend, and some salt to taste, plus a bit of oil to help give you that fried effect. In the absence of Aftrad Village Kitchen 7 spice blend, use some cloves or pepper, some wintia or grains of saline, and some wediaba, which is calabash nutmeg. Now let's get right into it. So to make the kelewele, I cut up the plantain in this way, sliced it halfway, the long side, and released the flesh from the skin like I did. And the top secret here to get that street style taste and texture is to thinly slice it like so. Now onto the spice mix that's going to go on the plantain. So I've got the onions, the ginger, the scotch bonnet, and the spices. The recipe for this is in the link. Do check it out. So to make it easier for me to use my asanka to grind this, I use my food processor to blend the ginger, onion, and scotch bonnet. Now, using your asanka to grind the mix helps to release all the oils in the ginger, the pepper, and the onion, making it flavorful. I will really recommend that you do this step. But if you don't have an asanka, I will bring you another recipe where you can make your own dry pepper mix for your kelewele. So I added in the 7 spice blend and some salt to taste and mix this all together. You're probably thinking a liquidizer or a blender would do the job for you, but it will not give you the flavor that you're looking for. You're going for a street style kelewele mix, and also it will make your mix too watery. The method we are going to use to fry our kelewele requires very, very little moisture in there. Now I added in some oil. I added in about 2 tablespoons of oil at this stage. We'll add in some more later. So as you may be thinking, why add in oil? We are going to use our air fryer to fry this kelewele. If you haven't got an air fryer, please use normal oil to fry like you always do, but don't add in the oil. So I let this sit for a while, and when I was ready to start frying, I warmed up my air fryer. I added in a layer of the kelewele into the air fryer. You want it spread out so that the heat can touch every single plantain. My air fryer settings is in the link in the comment box. but I did set it to 180 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes, and halfway I checked it. It needed a bit more oil to give me that proper fried plantain feel, otherwise it will look like grilled plantain. So an extra bit of oil, about a tablespoon, was enough to give me that fried effect. And as you can see, it just looked real, proper street style kelewele using an air fryer. Yes, much healthier, less oil, and still super tasty and flavorful. Mejofupa, if you've been thinking of getting yourself an air fryer, I will encourage you to get one because you can create some healthy, delicious meals in them. I will be bringing lots of such recipes to you very soon. So yeah, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share with your friends because we've got a good thing here. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video.